Welcome to this guided meditation practice. Find a comfortable position, sitting with your back straight, eyes closed, hands resting in your lap. And let's begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose, settling ever more deeply into this space with each exhalation, allowing any tension to dissolve, allowing the body to soften and relax. And now, let go and allow the breath to continue on its own, releasing all control and relaxing ever more deeply into this state of restfulness. As the breath attends to itself, we simply notice the sensation, the coming and going, the rising and falling, noticing the subtleties, the gentle flow of the air passing through the nose, the nostrils gently expanding and relaxing, the belly expanding and relaxing, noticing the soft rhythm of the breath, like the tide rolling in and rolling out. There is nothing to do but simply be. There is nowhere to be but here, putting aside all concerns for the future, leaving the past in the past, embracing this moment as it is, and dropping the need to be any place other than right here, right now. Leaving aside all worries, all endeavors, all desires and expectations, leaving aside everything and simply allowing your attention to rest here in this moment, fully present, fully aware of what is right here. There is nowhere to be other than right here, right now, letting go of needing to be anywhere other than here, allowing your attention to rest deeply and fully in this moment, resting with the breath. When the attention is pulled toward thinking, simply notice this pull and let go, releasing any attachment or resistance, and simply returning to the breath, returning to the sensation, returning our attention to this moment, noticing that we never left. Sitting here in this moment, nowhere to be but here, and there is nowhere else you can be other than here, for there is only this present moment. Simply being, simply resting, simply allowing this moment to be as it is, dropping any resistance we may feel to this moment, dropping any desire to be elsewhere, simply turning your attention to what is here, to what is presently occurring, and embracing the fullness of this moment, the stillness, the spaciousness, the peaceful serenity, allowing the body to rest, allowing the attention to rest, gently carried by the breath. abiding as awareness, awake and alert. You are welcome to remain as you are for as long as you like, and at your own choosing. When you are ready to open your eyes and arise, may you carry this wakeful awareness throughout the day.